Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to film a random eye tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this eye look, keep on watching. I know that I said that I was going to upload every Sunday, and that is still my plan, but I do tend to play with makeup a lot, and so if I feel like I want to pull out the camera and just film something, then there might be a few videos here and there throughout the week. So please make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a single time that I upload, and comment below. Let me know what type of looks that you'd like to see next, whether you like these kinds of tutorials, if there are specific tutorials that you're looking for. I am open to suggestions. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. Today I am going to be going in with, let's see. The beauty about playing with makeup is that I like to sit down and not really have an idea in mind. I never really have a plan. To dive in a little bit more into the Violet Voss. Whoa, you can see the mess everywhere. Sakura palette. Oh, I just dug my nail into that color. Oops, my bad. And that one. Wow, fail. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one first, and we'll see if we'll use any colors from the Natasha Denona. I kind of want to see how the mattes in this one blend, so let's give it a go. Okay, so what I'm first gonna do is I'm gonna grab my blending brush. Let's see, which one do we want to use today? I am going to use the shade, I need to wash my brushes, you guys, this is horrible. I'm gonna use the shade Spring, which is right here, pretty. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Not too much kickback in the pan. Very pigmented, a lot more pink than I was expecting. So I'm gonna actually go over top of that, and I'm gonna use the shade Delicate, which is this one right here. It's a yummy warm tone brown, my favorite. I'm gonna go in with the same brush. I'm literally just going to take that, but I'm just going to focus it on the outer part of my eye. Same shade going in. I like that a lot better after I put on that warm tone brown. I like it a lot better. Now I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna go in with Festival, which is right here, and oh crap, what is that? Season. Festival and Season. And I'm gonna put those on my outer corner. Yeah, she pigmented. Oh yeah, for sure. Pigment is there, no question. Ooh, should we do a liner today? Are we feeling that risky? Because if you're willing to do a liner, what you're basically saying is you're willing to risk it all. Because if that liner fails you, your whole face is done. There is no way to come back from a bad liner. So do I want to take that risk? That is pretty dramatic and not at all even. I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush, and I'm gonna take Spring and Delicate, and I'm gonna buff out those deeper colors. I love this. Like now I'm starting to really dig this look. about 2 minutes ago I didn't. So you also have to trust the process. That is key. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a shimmer on the lid. Ooh, I kind of want to go in hardcore. Like, I want to make this so freaking girly. So a good trick. I have this Anastasia lip palette, right? Barely use it for my lips, barely. But I do like taking the white color and just cutting my crease with that. I'm gonna take the white, just like that on a flat brush. And I'm going to just literally trace it and cut. Which is this bubblegum pink. Let's see that one first. I have a feeling that this is gonna be hella dramatic. Oh, yeah. I mean, it pops, definitely there. Okay, my finger would definitely work better for this one. That's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take the color pink, which is right here, and I'm gonna put that right next to, like, this is super Barbie, and I was not planning on going here today at all. Oh wow. The color Bubbly for a brow and inner corner highlight. If I could find my highlighter brush, right here. So we're gonna take the shade Bubbly right here, and we are literally going to pop that on the brow bone. Look at that. It's so magical. It never gets old to find an amazing highlight shade. It never gets old. It's like I'm seeing a highlighter for the first time, every time. Wow. That's really pretty. Okay, now from here, I don't know that I want to do a liner. I feel like I just want to leave it like it is, but I am going to blow out the lower lash line because it just wouldn't be natural if I didn't. So we're gonna take a flat brush and we're gonna go in with that color Festival, which is that dark purpley shade that we used on the outer corner, and we're just gonna press that up against our lash line. beautiful. We're gonna take the other. Okay, now that that's on there, I'm going to take a small buffing brush and I'm gonna take the shades, again, Spring and Delicate. We're just gonna pop into both of those. See, there's like really no kickback in the pan. And we're just gonna take them and buff out that deep purple that we just put under our lash line. And so do you see how it's kind of like all over the place, that shadow? If you want it to be sharper or more like cut, a good tip is to take a sponge with some powder and just kind of go whoop, and it'll clean it right up. You can even do it with a brush if you really wanted to. I also did my face makeup live on TikTok, so if you guys want to follow me there or follow me on Instagram, I post tutorials on my Instagram stories and then save them in my highlights. I have a few tutorials on there as well. If you guys want to follow me, all of my socials will be linked in the description below. This tiny brush, and what I do with this is I use colors like this one, which is Blossom, and I will use those on my waterline instead of eyeliners. Okay, so now that peachy nude color is on my waterline, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, apply my lashes, and the lashes we are using today, the Lily lashes in the style Miami. Love these like so much. So I'm just going to look down into my mirror, pop on the lash, tuck in the inner corner first. Some people tuck in the outer, it's just preference. The other eye. I'm gonna plop this on off of camera and then I will be back. Okay, so lashes are on. Put some mascara on the top and lower lash. Going in with the lips now, and I'm gonna go in with the same Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner because now I'm obsessed with this stuff. I have gloss on my lips. I should probably, whatever. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty matte lipstick in the shade Single. Love this one. Or Yesterday. Yeah, it's so pretty. It is a little too orange for this look. So, I'm gonna go in with a gloss. We're going in with the Sexy Mother Pucker by Philip and Glory. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I need a different lip color? Okay guys, that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time watching my videos, then please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I will be uploading every Sunday and maybe sometimes in between. So yeah, I would really appreciate it. Also check out all my other socials. I'm gonna have them linked below, Instagram, Snap, Twitter, and TikTok. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.